Hi, I'm Jay with Family Handyman, and I designed this shelving unit in the mid-century modern style using store-bought shelves and simple joinery. Let me show you how I made it. Using 1/2" MDF, I cut out my router template so all my pieces came out exactly the same. I traced the shape of the legs on my board and rough cut them on the bandsaw. And if you don't have a bandsaw, don't worry. A jigsaw works for this purpose just fine. Using double-sided tape, I attached the router template to my workpiece. And then I flush cut them on the router table. Using hot hide glue and the rub joint technique, I glued the two leg parts together. I designed an assembly jig to help me make this shelf. Drawing it in SketchUp first helped me visualize it when I laid it out in real life. I used short guide blocks to help me position the legs and taller guide blocks to help me position the shelves. Once the shelves were in place, I marked the position of the pocket hole screws. To attach the shelves, I used 1.5" pocket hole screws. Once all four were on, I took it out of the assembly jig, flipped it over, and repeated the process for the other two legs. I really love how this shelf turned out. It was inexpensive and easy to make. Plus, it provides a perfect definition to our entryway space. For more projects like this, visit FamilyHandyman.com.